Hello friends, as we all know, the tourist season has already started with the coming in of first charter plane. And see here what has happened. The road to the most famous beach in Goa, the Kalangut beach, it has been dug up completely. Since there is not much traffic now at this time, there is no hassle. However, if the traffic increases, this could be a nightmare for the people here. There is one police here who is looking after the traffic. This is supposed to be the most congested road during the season time, and yet the authorities have chosen this time to keep the road for sewerage works. The road here has finished, but the entire Chogam road has been dug. It seems the sewerage line will go right down to Kalangut area. Here again, to make the matters worse, there are potholes even on the plain road. Here see, this is near the Amrekar temple. The digging has become a daily affair. The police are there only for challenge, nothing else. They are looking out for people without the helmets. They aren't concerned about the safety of the people or traffic management. And this is where it all starts. This was Suraj Nandrekar for Goenkar Pond.